Imagine an operating system that doesn't just follow commands, but thinks alongside you. It learns from your behavior, anticipates your needs, and automatically optimizes your work. This isn't science fiction, it's the concept of AI-first operating systems, and they are already changing the game. Traditional operating systems, like Windows or macOS, are user-driven. They wait for commands. AI-first systems work differently. They actively analyze your actions, suggest solutions before you even think of them, and can even perform complex tasks automatically. For example, instead of searching for files manually, the system can organize documents for you, find what you need based on context, and even merge information from different applications. Today, we are already seeing early signs of these systems. Windows Copilot and macOS AI features integrate artificial intelligence directly into the operating system. AI assistants on smartphones like Google Assistant or Siri are becoming more autonomous, predicting your requests before you type them. In the corporate world, AI-first systems help manage large data sets and automate routine processes, saving thousands of hours of work. Imagine an OS that automatically organizes your workday, finds the right documents and presentations for meetings, optimizes your computer's resources depending on your tasks, and even teaches you how to work more efficiently. This isn't just convenience, it's a new level of human-machine interaction. In the next few years, we will see operating systems that integrate multiple AI agents working in parallel, anticipate your needs before you even know them, become a platform for fully autonomous work environments. Simply put, operating systems will no longer be passive, they will become your active assistant and partner. AI-first operating systems are changing the rules of the game. Those who understand their potential and learn to work with them will gain a huge advantage in work and life. Are you ready for a new world where your OS thinks alongside you?